In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add a custom domain name to Odoo. So I'm going to do this with GoDaddy, but it's going to pretty much the same if you use Namecheap, Hostinger, or any other domain provider. So the first thing you want to make sure is go to Odoo, and then you want to go to your profile icon at the top and click on My Databases. And then from here, you're going to see that site, and here we can click the gear icon and then go to domain names. And now as you can see, we can change the domain name, and we can either get a new domain name on Odoo or use your own domain name, which is what we want to click on. So let's click on that. And now we want to go to our domain provider and paste in our domain name. So from here, for me, as you can see, it is Studio Hassle. So I copy that and I'll paste it in right here. And now before we click verify, we want to perform the following operations. We want to create a CNAME record for our domain name pointing to studio2020.odoo.com. So now we simply want to copy this value right here and go to our domain provider, for me GoDaddy, and you want to go to domains right here, and then you want to find your DNS settings. Now DNS settings should be on every provider. For me it's right here, so we click on that, and now we want to add a record. So the button is here, add new record, and right now we want to select CNAME, which is the third one for me, and then we need to name this www. And for the value, we want to paste in the value, and for TTL we can select 1 hour or 3,600 seconds if it shows it in seconds for you, and then we can click save. Now there is a chance that you get this message, record name www conflicts with another record. So as you can see right here, we already have this record available. So we simply want to delete this one first, just like that. And now when we try the same thing again and we click save, it should all be good, and yes it does. We got the message, your DNS record has been updated successfully. Now we can go back to Odoo, and right now we did what they asked for, and they also say something about SSL or HTTPS, basically the lock before your domain name. So now we can simply click verify domain name, and as you can see it says DNS configuration seems good. So now we can click I confirm it's done. Now it's going to bring us back, and it says congratulations, your domain name is being set up. This domain setup will take a few minutes. So now we can go back to our setup. This is going to bring us back to the website. And now we can see that the domain name is showing for our website Studio22, studiohassle.com. So now when I search for the domain name, as we can see, we got the SSL certificate issue now, because that can take a couple of moments longer, but at least we did it correctly, and now the domain name is pointing to our site on Odoo. Obviously right here there's no content on it yet, it's completely empty as it's like a dummy store, but it is currently working. Now again, for the SSL certificate, we just gotta be patient. They should revert back to normal in a couple of hours. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you in the next one. Have a good day.